Let's talk about how to remove dust or lint from your clay, and maybe even some fingerprints along the way. I keep hearing tips on keeping your workspace clean and washing your hands, but let's be real, that's a given, and no matter how clean you keep your space, the presence of dust is mostly inevitable. So, tip number 1. Rubbing alcohol, aka isopropyl. While I don't know the differences between the various percentages and strengths of isopropyl, I've seen some clay artists use 70%, and that's what I use as well. I dip a Q-tip into the rubbing alcohol. If you don't have a Q-tip, you can use a paper towel, but a Q-tip is more precise. A small warning, you have to be really gradual and patient with wiping away lint because too much rubbing alcohol can over-soften and almost dissolve your clay and cause pieces to fall apart. That happened when I was cleaning the arms of one of my miniature mushroom pieces. Tip number 2, sandpaper. Prior to rubbing alcohol, this used to be my go-to method. I still do it for any pieces of lint that I missed, but I don't rely on it as much anymore. Sandpaper has different grits, which means they have different roughness levels to them. The higher the number, the finer the grit, and the lower the number, the rougher the grit. I'm still figuring out which number I like. I'm currently toggling between 220 and 400. Tip number 3, painting. Painting can be used to add final decorative touches, like the circle on my mushroom caps or sparkles on my wizard ghost, but it can also be used to cover up some simple, solid colored surfaces. So what kind of paint do I use? I use acrylic paint because it's fast drying, water-based, and consists of acrylic resin. Essentially what that means is it's pretty compatible with polymer clay. I would not use oil paint because it takes forever to dry and may not be quite as compatible with polymer clay. Additionally, only paint after the polymer clay is baked and cooled, not before. There are other ways to remove dust from your polymer clay, but these are my 3 favorite. If you have a favorite method as well, please feel free to share. I can't wait to see what you create. Till next time, bye! This ice cream bunny might seem small, but it's actually pretty big compared to the bunnies that I usually make, which are about this size.